Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have on hand. We want to separate the prod_code_date column in a dataset into multiple columns based on specific delimiters. These delimiters are essential as they define the structure of the data, helping us split the information into different categories. Our ultimate goal is to transform the data into a long table format with specific columns like prod_no, code, and date. Now, onto the solution provided for this task. The code provided uses base our functions to tackle the issue at hand. By utilizing matrix manipulation and transformation functions, the script efficiently splits the prod_code_date column into code and date pairs. This process involves removing unwanted characters, organizing the data into a matrix, and then structuring it into the desired format. The outcome is a clean and structured dataset that aligns with our expected final result. Continuing with the solution, the code snippet shared showcases the final dataset after the transformation process. It displays the prod_no, code, and date information in a clear and organized manner. Each row corresponds to a specific pair of code and date, making it easier to analyze and work with the data. This structured format enhances the readability and usability of the dataset, setting the stage for further analysis or exploration. Moving forward with the provided solution, the initial data setup is crucial for the subsequent transformations. The code snippet creates a table with the necessary columns and populates it with the prod_code_date information. This step lays the foundation for the data manipulation process that follows, ensuring a seamless transition from raw data to the desired long table format. Proper data setup is key to achieving accurate and meaningful results in data analysis. In the final part of our journey through this data transformation task, we apply the Tidyverse package to further refine and structure the dataset. By utilizing functions like mutate, honest, separate_wider_delim, and more, the code efficiently breaks down the prod_code_date column into code and date components. This step-by-step process streamlines the data transformation, resulting in a well-organized and informative dataset ready for analysis or visualization. To sum it up, we've successfully navigated through the process of separating and structuring data columns based on specific delimiters. By following the provided solution and leveraging the power of our functions, we've transformed the initial dataset into a clean and structured format suitable for further analysis. Remember, exploring and manipulating data can be both challenging and rewarding. So keep experimenting and learning along the way. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay curious, stay coding,